How to turn on or off private relay on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down and go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Scroll down to the Get More with iCloud Plus section and tap on Private Relay. As you can see, you need to upgrade to iCloud Plus to use this feature. This feature protects browsing in public network. You can turn on or off this feature from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off Private Relay on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.